It was a scary situation, you guys. But let me tell you, even though we were involved in an emergency landing and we thought we were gonna die, I'm grateful for the experience, believe it or not. I'm grateful because it reminded me how valuable life is and how quickly things can change. Every now and then we need a little reminder. We need to get shaken up a little to remind ourselves, oh my God, this is special, this is important. Enjoy it, have fun. The rest of the day after the landing, there was nothing anybody could tell me to ruin how good I felt to just be breathing and be alive. Nothing.